Yo guys, one Fireworld 24 YouTube channel, the channel of sensation guys. So today we will be cleaning my 95 Subaru Impreza wagon gf8's basically motor, and we're gonna put a couple banners on to my windshield. So hopefully you enjoy. If you did, hit that like button and consider subscribing. Let's get on. I'm gonna show a time lapse of cleaning this Subaru's Impreza's engine compartment. Perfect. I like the hood, it's pretty clean, but the engine, it's not perfect, but it is better than it was, and that's all that really matters. Try to get as much off as possible, but it's so greasy. I'm just going through microfiber towels after microfiber towels. Now we're gonna get the Subi Gang banner put on the car. Subi Gang. So I'm gonna put it back in the packaging one-handed. Well, it's off the camera, but yeah, it'll be on the blue part up here, maybe a little bit more than that, so should be good. And I'm gonna clean it with just the whole window with the glass cleaner from Turtle Wax, and we got some from Acquires. We're gonna double clean it. So yeah. Not quite perfect, but it's nice. I mean, you can see if you look up real close that there are a few imperfections here that did happen. It's not a forever thing. It's kind of just a racer mod I threw up on her, so yeah. This is not my real credit card. This is one that is avoided debit card, just so you know. But yeah, thinking she was looking great. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. Now let's just wash her so she's ready for the drive-by of the nursing home. You know, that's something a car guy always looks forward to. Things like that, you know, for a Father's Day thing, it's on a Tuesday after that, but you know, it's something I look forward to because, hey, that's what we all look forward to. It's just driving by and driving our cars. So got that banner put on, and good. We got off-road and setup on it. That's why there's such a gap, because I got it set up so I can go off-roading if I need. Mostly because I live in the country, not like off-roading, but you know, general driving down the country road. Dirty down here, so we're gonna clean her up, wash her up, take her to the dentist. Then I'm gonna come back home for a couple hours, and then at 2 o'clock we have the drive-by for a nursing home in my area, so that's good.
So guys, this was the journey of my banners, windshield banners I put on my Subaru Impreza. The first one, you know, I just kind of took off. It's a gang and stuff. A lot of people around me didn't like it, so I just kind of went to the Impreza. It looks so much better anyway. Fits better. It goes with your little black strip that's black or blue strip that's in every car. It's just kind of perfect, and I think it looks great, guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I will see you guys in my next video, 'cause they're memorable. Peace out.